How's everybody doing? Tinkering with Harleys. I want to thank all of you who've subscribed, and if you watch these videos and enjoy them, by all means, please subscribe. Well, today's going to be a short video. That wheel that we took the tire off of for the Fat Boy, you can see behind me, it's all together. But the other wheel that I have, we put new bearings in that. We put a new tire on it. And I cleaned out the holes in the hub for the pulley, and Muggs is bumping into my stand here. I cleaned out the holes for the hub and for the disc. And the last one I didn't show it. And the guy that I talked to fairly regular on YouTube reminded me about it. You know, he just had mentioned it. So I figured I'd do a quick video on it and show you how to do it. So we'll get right to it. Okay, this is the hub we're going to be cleaning up, and these are the holes right here for the pulley that we're going to clean up. We've already got new bearings in it, got a new tire on it. So we're going to clean this up so that it's ready for the pulley. So we'll just get right to it. Okay, so what you're going to need to do this is a 7/16 tapeter. And what we're going to do, we're going to be chasing the threads because there's Loctite in here from when the last time the pulley was off of this. So we're just going to clean these up. And you just get it started like that. And then you get your wrench on it. Because you don't, all that old Loctite that's in there, you don't want all that stuff in there. You want to get all that cleaned out. And we'll do the same thing with the bolts. We'll clean them up. We'll wire brush them off so they're nice and clean. You run that all the way in. So everything is nice and clean. Then you just back it out. And there's a little bit, but it's not on the threads, but you can see, I don't know if you can see, you got nice clean threads in there. And see, you got nice clean threads in there now. So, and we're going to do this. We're going to do this for these last four, but I'm not going to show it. For the simple reason it's just the same thing. And you do the same thing on the other side for the disc. So that's pretty much it. So I hope this helps somebody. And until next time, everybody be safe out there.